Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. We from Group 4 will present our project, namely chair and table transporter. Before this presentation, let me introduce my team. My name is Novel Pradabayu, Electrical Division, and this is my partner.
My name is Fadliananda.
My name is Bung Artalina Purba.
My name is Mikael Siregar from Programming Division and my partner.
My name is Esra Damere Silitonga. Alright, for this opportunity, I will discuss the problem statement, where the need is workers at Batam State Polytechnic face difficulties and potential injuries when moving large quantities of heavy tables and chairs, requiring significant physical effort and time. A safe and efficient robotic solution is needed to reduce physical workload and improve overall operational efficiency. An engineering rule is to, therefore, we design a robotic system capable of transporting items, specifically tables and chairs, using remote control safely and quickly. Next slide. Okay, on this slide, I will be discussing the System Recruitment Review or SRR. A system SRR is a formal review process that confirms a system recruitment are clearly defined, complete, consistent, and achievable before proceeding to the initial design phase. Next slide. All right, let's move on the concept design review. A concept design review is an early informal evaluation to assess a project fundamental design direction before significant resources are invested.
So this concept design review, circuit and wiring concept. Next.
Okay, here I will explain the algorithm. An algorithm in our robot is the set of instructions that tells the robot how to process information from its input, make decisions, and perform action to achieve a goal. Next. And this is the hardware that we will use for our robot. And the system diagram for our robot is in input push bottom or remotely control, in process microcontroller motor driver, in output DC motor servo motor.
So this simulation system test video. In simulation, we ask Arduino Uno. When push button 1 is pressed, motor 1 and 2 rotate forward so the robot move forward. Push button 2 is pressed, motor 1 and 2 will rotate backward so the robot move backward. And push button 1 and 3 are high, the robot will move forward the left. And push button 1 and 4 present, the robot will move forward the right and with
So this is the final design, finalized version of our robot. that we designed this robot to be very modular so that in the future the robot can be easily upgraded and developed further. And secondly, it is very slicky, which is make the robot more agile and fast in moving. And the thirdly, or the last one is this robot uses very strong selected material, starting from acrylic material for light use and using metal material for industrial scale use.
This electrical design, we as a 5-volt battery as the power source for the motor driver and ESP32 connect to the 4 input and ground pins. For input, we as the 6 push button and next. And input and ground pin. For input, we as 6 push button the control the robot forward, backward, right and left movement, and the lifter up and down movement. For output, we as 2 DC motors to drive the right and left wheels, and 1 servo motor to drive the lifter. There is also switch to turn the robot on or off. Thank you. Next.
In this slide, I will be explaining the program design section. In this project, we use a control button system to operate the robot. There are 6 buttons: forward, backward, left, right, up, and down. The turning function works as follows. If we want the robot to turn while moving forward, we press the forward button together with the left or right button, depending on the desired direction. The same applies if we want to turn while moving backward. We also create a flowchart to illustrate the movement process of the robot. It starts with the start step, followed by initiation of the system and button, where the operator learns and understands each button's function in the control system. After that, the operator begins to operate the robot to lift a table or chair by positioning the robot in front of the object. If the position not correct, the operator continues adjusting it. Once aligned, the robot will lift the object and move it to the desired location. When the robot arrives at the destination, the object is lowered by pressing the down button, and the process is complete. That concludes my explanation about the program design and flowchart. Thank you.
Next, I will discuss the budget plan for the chair and table transporter robot project. So, we have a total budget of 400,000 rupiah, a total price of 383,000 rupiah, and a total balance of 92,000 rupiah. Okay, next, I will discuss the project timeline. We need 6 weeks to complete this project. First week, problem identification and concept design. Second week, analysis of components, circuit, structure, and control system. Third week, system and component selection. Fourth week, mechanical and program development. Fifth week, electrical diagram and schematic wiring control system. And sixth week, final report and presentation. And then resource management. So this is our resource management project of planning, scheduling, and calling essential resourcing like project phase, test, effort days, search type, and deliverables to ensure project goals are met efficiently.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam Om Santi Santi Om. Namo Buddhaya. Salam kebajikan. Thank you.